After leaving Uwharrie National Forest, we needed to make our way southwest due to the dropping temperatures. We drove to St. Simons, Georgia, where we booked an Airbnb to enjoy Christmas together. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Spaghetti and meatballs.
In Georgia.
In Georgia. Somewhere in Georgia that a place I've never heard of.
Left North Carolina, just picked a place to stay in Georgia. Now we're making spaghetti and meatballs on Christmas Day.
On our last day, we took a day trip to see a colonial military base nearby. And then visited Okefenokee Swamp Park.
Alright, so we just made it into the swamp park and it was $20 each for general admission, and then it comes like with a boat ride as well as a, what's this again?
Show.
And then just a show. There is nobody here. Like, we're the only ones in this park, and we're gonna be here for the next hour or two.
We then spent one night in Jacksonville, Florida to break up the long drive to Tallahassee, where we booked a 2-night stay on a private farm.
Alright guys, so we just made it to our campsite and we were introduced by one of the owners, and they got dogs. They're so friendly. They're puppies basically. This one's only 4 months old right here. 4 months. It's crazy. This one just wants to get pet all the time. They gave us some eggs. Where's the eggs?
Right here.
Huh?
Fresh eggs. How exciting. So, look at that. Look, it literally came from the
chicken.
Yeah, like wherever they pick it from. Look at all this.
Wow.
Oh my god. Moo! Don't touch the fence. Moo! Ivan, thanks for showing us around.
All I gotta say is, I'm pretty certain that I would not mind having a farm
Yeah.
when I'm almost towards retirement.
Yeah, I would definitely own a farm. Oh my god, those are definitely turkey. That's a turkey. Oh my god, I just saw it. Oh, oh my god, it's coming. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yo, they'll poke your eye out.
I know. Oh my god. Oh my god.
No.
Oh my god, I don't like it.
We then stayed in Mobile, Alabama for one night, camped in Mississippi for one night, and then stayed in a hostel in New Orleans for the New Year. On New Year's Eve, we cooked and watched the ball drop on TV, and on New Year's Day, we went out to do a bit of sightseeing.
Afterwards, we then drove to Houston, Texas to visit the NASA Museum. And drove to Austin, Texas, where we visited the Capitol building.
In the next video, we spent 5 nights at Big Bend National Park, so subscribe if you haven't already. If you want more up-to-date content, follow us on Instagram. The link is in the description below. We hope to see you guys in the next one. Take care.
Bye!